In this Got a Minute video, we'll show you how to access the files and folders on your Mac computer while logged into the Online 50 service. This is a useful feature if you wish to copy files to or from the Online 50 servers. Assuming you've already downloaded and installed the Microsoft RDP app, let's get you logged in. When you click on the Online 50 icon, you'll see the app will fire up. We need to double click on this app to access the settings. In here you can see that you can browse to the folder that you wish to access once logged into the Online 50 service. Now we get connected. By the way, if you plan to use the drag and drop feature while logged into the Online 50 service, you will need to enable the right click button on your mouse. So once we get logged into the Online 50 service, let's launch the Data Console, and on the right hand side you'll see the folder on your Mac. Thank you for watching this Got a Minute video. We hope you found it useful.